In this Cyber-Theo tutorial, we'll give you a quick guide to using Trello for task management. Trello's simple, visual boards, lists, and cards make it easy to stay organized and track your tasks, whether you're managing personal projects or collaborating with a team. Sign up for Trello. Visit Trello.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you can create your first Trello board. Boards represent different projects or workflows. Create lists. Organize your board by creating lists. Common lists for task management include to-do, in progress, and completed. These lists help you visually track tasks as they move through different stages. Add cards. Under each list, add cards for individual tasks. For example, under to-do, you could add a card titled Write Project Report. Cards can be dragged and dropped between lists to represent task progress. Customize cards. Click on a card to open more options. You can add details such as task descriptions, due dates, labels, attachments, and assign tasks to team members. This helps you keep everything organized and in one place. Use Power UPS, optional. Trello offers Power UPS, which are integrations with other apps like Google Drive, Slack, or calendars. Use these to enhance your task management experience. Manage and track progress. As tasks progress, drag the cards from to-do to in progress and finally to completed. Trello's easy-to-use interface helps you keep track of everything at a glance. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo.